Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your earphone problem if your earphone is not working when you just put it in this. How you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to see if your combined your mono audio settings are enabled. If it is enabled, then you have to disable it. In the additional settings, click on additional settings and here it is accessibility. Click on hearing and here you can see mono audio. If your mono audio is on, it will combine your channels when playing audio. If you have enable this and disable this, and friends, you can see the audio balance also. If you have put your earphones on your ear, you can see if your left ear is working or left earphone is not working, then you can see this mode. You have to come to this at the point, at this you can see not the left side and not the right side. You have to click on this medium option and this will help you to improve your overall experience also. And press back. You have to click on apps, click on manage apps, click on three dots and here are show all system apps. You can see this. You have to type here earphones, and friends, you can see this earphones. Click on earphones and here you have to click on storage and clear the cache of it. And if it is does not work, then you have to clean your earphones where you just plug in here. You have to just clean this port and restart your mobile phone, and now it will be working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.